Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Cherokee windshield wipers. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. It's a good idea to place a towel or cardboard on the glass to prevent any accidental damage. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the point where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire blade assembly off the hook on the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. You're halfway there. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures proper function and safety. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Remember to repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on the passenger side of your Jeep Cherokee. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly, providing clear visibility for safe driving. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.